Masala Mama here. Let's make chicken chapli kebabs. They are really easy to make and they are so tasty. Let's make them. First, in a mini chopper, you're going to add all these ingredients and chop them. You're not trying to blend them into puree, just a very fine chopped mixture. Next, to your chicken keema, you're going to add all these spices. Add the ground mixture. You can adjust the seasonings by adding more green chilies or red chili peppers. My chapli kebabs were medium spicy. Mix them really well together as if you're kneading some dough. Everything has to mix very well. Add fresh ginger and garlic paste. Here's a tip. The ground onions are going to make your chapli kebabs very soft. Once you've done all your mixing, it should look like this. Because you're a responsible cook, you always want to make a small piece of it just to make sure all the spices are good. If not, you can adjust them now. I make my chapli kebabs really thin. They cook faster. Tip number 2, you can make these chapli kebabs in a preheated air fryer. And now you can continue cooking them all about 2.5 minutes per side. If you're cooking them in a fry pan like this, cook it on medium-high heat. Tip number 3, these kebabs freeze really well. And when you cook them, they come out nice and juicy. Follow me on my TikTok and Instagram. Watch Masala Mama.